Hey, what's up YouTube? Finally back to fixing the turbo junk box here. Just been sitting for a few months with it, but over the last week started messing with some things again. I think I mentioned in the last video my old exhaust manifold was cracked, so I was going to be switching some things up. I recently deleted the hydroboost system. Got a booster from the E30 in there. Ran some new brake lines through the car. I also deleted the ABS out that used to sit over here. Used to boil the brake lines a bit from all the heat coming off the turbo, but got that squared away. Gonna be running a new high pressure line here. Got a new reservoir, so gonna hook all that up here today. Gonna take out the lines from the power steering cooler. Being thing seems kind of useless to me. It's kind of just like a U line that goes up through the grill here. So we're gonna take that out. Here's the old stuff we yanked out, just in case you guys are wondering. The booster itself was leaking pretty bad. I had some leaks going on inside the car, just all over the place, so I'm glad to finally get this junk on out of here. Here's the new manifold I got. I put a TCD manifold on here, but my predicament I have now is my Precision 6266 does not fit, because I didn't know TCD requires a on-center housing exhaust for the turbo. As you see here, we hit the head. So what I'm gonna try and do is makeshift my own bracket here with the TIG welder. Picked up some steel tubing this week. I got 2 T4 brackets. So we're gonna try and makeshift something like that. Obviously cut it down unless I want the turbo coming through the hood. And we're gonna try and get that to fit and then take it from there. I'm debating on keeping a water-cooled system. I think I'm done with that intake, but what I might do is get a universal water-cooled intercooler, probably an eBay special of some sort, and try and weld up some aluminum piping, get it to fit, being I already have the lines, the pump, the heat exchangers in the front grill. And I got a stock intake on the way. Put a stock intake back on and try and set that up. If it doesn't seem like it's gonna work or too much of a hassle, at the point I might go air to air. You guys are more than welcome to leave some input on if any of you have had any success with that or whatnot. But otherwise, that's where we are. I'm trying to get some videos, maybe welding, maybe putting in some few other things here. Try and get one of my buddies maybe come record me or hang this thing up somewhere, but otherwise that's it. That's where we're at with Boosted Betty here. Hopefully back up on the road again soon, but it is snowing here in Colorado today. Not sure if we can see that, so no rush right now. Just trying to get things right and hopefully not have to tear it apart again for a long time. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching.